show you how to factory reset a pair of JLab JBuds Air Sport earbuds. Very simple here. So first thing is put the buds in the case, close the case for about 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, open it back up. And then from here, we're simply going to tap each side 7 times. So we'll start off on one side here. You want to tap that little sensor on top there 7 times. And after you do that, this should blink blue 4 times rapidly. Okay, I just dimmed the lights down, so I'm going to tap this 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you see it blink blue 4 times. Now we're going to do this side here 7 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, it blinked 4 times. It didn't work, then just tap it again 7 times. Okay, so there we go. So now when I go ahead and pull these out, they should automatically be in a pairing mode. And you know they're in pairing mode when one of them is blinking blue, white, blue, white, blue, white, just one of the earbuds. Okay, so now the thing is, before I factory reset these buds, I was connected, paired to my iPhone here. Okay, so for instance, let me go to my settings here on my iPhone. I'm going to go to Bluetooth here. And now you can see it's still up here, the JLab. If I tap that, it's going to go ahead. The only option I have is to forget it, okay? But anyway, if you're here with the iPhone, you tap on the I here. We're going to forget device, forget, and now it's in pairing mode still, so now it should show up. It's still in the pairing mode, blue, red. And just wait, let me just turn off my Bluetooth. I'm going to turn it back on, and voila, shows up right there. Tap on right there. Now the thing is, if you're on an Android phone, you want to go ahead and click on unpair, okay? iPhones, forget device. Androids, unpair device. Anyway, I'm connected. There you go.